Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market for the week of August 22nd, 2021. As you know, that the last week the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, after they pull back down for a couple of days, and then they continue to push it higher by the end of the week. So regardless the uncertainty surrounding the pandemic, inflation fears, and Afghanistan evacuation problem, on Wednesday, the market is selling following the news that the Federal Reserve, they may tighten the monetary policy before the year end, which due to the economic expansion and improving employment situation. This may happen sooner than had been anticipated. On Thursday, the market found support at the 50-day moving average, and then they bound from that level and continue to put it higher to the upside after the jobless claim report. They dropped to the pandemic low. So next week we will focus on the personal income and the consumer spending report. So this one it also tells you the market is to be able to continue to go higher. So right now, as long as you can see here, as long as the trend is still up, we'll still stick with the uptrend. So now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, so we can plan the trade for next week. So the chart you look at here, that's the S&P 500, E-mini S&P 500 future. This one is, as you can see here in the past, every time they pull back down to the support, and then they continue to push it back up. So on Thursday, after they slam it down, they found a support and push it back up again. So as long as this pattern is still lay out strong, we still continue to take this pattern until they change direction. So we are probably at the end one more push it up, okay, and then we see how far they can go. But the market it goes straight up since March 23 last year until now. So at some point, the people will take profit, so that we have to pay attention. We do trade in the uptrend, but your top loss follow the move here, so yet in case they give up, and then at least you can protect all again from last year up to this point. So if you look at the Nasdaq, it also pull back down a couple of days, and then Thursday and Friday they try to go back up. So right now the market try to retest the high here again to see that they be able to punch to it. Okay, and the Dow it also pull back up, and they try to get back to the top. Let's see how far they can go there. The Russell 2000 it still have a problem. They are still going sideways between the sell zone and the buy zone here. So let's see if they're able to push it back up, and then be able to get back up again on next week. So you have to watch out more carefully to see what the market they want to do at this level here. Look at the crude oils, it still continue to drop. As you can see here, they break the support, and then after they hit the top here, so they are in the correction right now. Also, if you look at the gold it after they found a support here, they push it back up. Now they get stuck at the resistance here. So next week, let's see it, if they can hold tight here, and then if they be able to break out this level, and then they can get back up and retest the upward downtrend line here also. And look at the Bitcoin, it still continue to push it back up to the upside. As you can see here, the momentum is still push it up, okay, and right now it they are still continue to stick with the upside for now. Look at the Ethereum, it's also the same, it's very strong. They pull back a couple of days, now they try to find a way to put back up. We have some resistance up here, let's see how far they can go, but overall trend is still bullish. If you look at the other index, like the volatility index, as you can see here, they spike back up, but they couldn't make higher, and then they slam it down again. So the people with people panic for a couple of days, and then now they stay calm again. Okay, so as long as they stay calm, the market will still have chance to push it back up. The 10-year Treasury note it's still bouncing back and forward here, but the overall trend here is still negative here. So let's see it. If they push it back up, okay, it means that there are more problem for the market here on the technology. But if they stay low, the technology stock to have a chance to push it higher. Okay, so as you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology, then for sure you are at risk. That's why at Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a logical technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you every day in our live Q&A until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live 24-hour Discord community so that you can get support and follow along. That is the only way that you can manage your own financial future. So now let's take a look deep inside the 11 sector of the S&P 500 so that we can looking for some stock to trade for the next week. Okay, so right now the strong sector is still the utility, which is a very strong sector that I have been showing you for the last couple of weeks, and they are still pretty strong, continue to put it up to the upside. And you can see that some of stock that we mentioned earlier, like Dominion Energy, it still continue to rumble to the upside. The NEE, Net Era Energy, which is the one we showed you last week, it still put it up there. And SO, those stock is still, the energy stock, the utility stock is still very strong. And another sector is still doing well, which is the XLV, that the healthcare and the bio sector is still extremely strong due to the Delta variant virus. The number of cases still increase every day. So besides those stocks like vaccine stock like Moderna, Pfizer, and a couple of big name stocks, they are trying to put it up right now, like GLS, as you can see there, and Johnson Johnson is still doing well. So those stocks from Dow Component, and Merck and Company. Okay, they try to stabilize and looking for to put it up to the upside there. And the next sector is still doing well, which is the technology stock after choppy couple of days, and the Thursday and Friday they try to put it up strong again. So a bunch of stuff there. Let me pick up a couple of them to show you here. Okay, like Salesforce, it's also from Dow Component. They try to break out this level and push it back up. Cisco, they have a good earning and they still very strong, put it up to the upside there. And the technology software still put it back and get back strong on Friday also. Another stock have been sideways choppy, but now they are able to stabilize, looking forward to put it higher. That's at Netflix, that you can see there. And in terms of financial sector, they put it up very strong, and then people slam it again. And now they try to fill up the gap here and looking for the support here. So those stocks, if they be able to continue to put it back up, so those stocks that you can watch out, like Bank of America, after pull down to the support there. Goldman Sachs also put down at the support. PayPal at the support. Okay, and so those stocks are still, and another one like DFS, I think this one here also found a support. So if the financial be able to find a support, and those stocks they will be turned around. And the consumer stable with a lot of stocks are still doing well. Like you can see here, BURL, that's a Burlington store. They try to put it back up last couple of days, and Lululemon also put it part of support. push it back up. ULTR, Alta Beauty, it's also pull back and then try to put it back higher. And this sector, you can see that it's still strong and looking forward to put it up again. And last week earning that you can see that a lot of stocks are doing well, like Walmart, right? They're doing very well there. Low, they have a good earning. Last week also, they continue to rumble to the upside. And Macy is also doing well. As you can see here, they jump up very quickly to the top to reset the high here. If they be able to hold on to this level, they still continue to go higher. And next week, there's the earning continue, and some of the stock that you can watch, I would like to show you here so that you can take a look. So first of all, that's the DKS, which is Dick's Sporting Goods. This one here, many times they go back down for the support. If the market is still continue to put up, those stocks still have potential to have a good earning and continue to pump to the upside. Second one, that's the Palo Alto Network. This is strong cyber security. So after they hit to the top, they fell, they sell down, they pull back. Now they add the support, so they have a potential to put it up again. And next one is the Autodesk, also another strong software. Looks like they go back up, they pull back down, and then momentum get up. Okay, if next week, if the market continue to go, so potential the company to be able to follow suit. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Beside those stocks I give you here, if you want more detail, every week I pick up about 5-6 stocks, the different one, analyze in detail with the entries, top lot, and the targets. And if you want more, you can subscribe to our premium watchlist, and that's where I will give you more detail on those stocks that have potential to move also. Okay, so hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading, and take care, everyone.